My name is Ruth Lugalishi. I work as a store person in Wagon Complex. Basically, International Women's Day, what means to me, is celebrating women all over the world. In a male-dominated environment, succeeding is not easy. You just have to work for it. When you work with men, if most women can just love to work like in workshops where men are, they don't fear men, they're just human beings like us, will promote gender equality. Kenya Railways should encourage more, should employ more women in this field so that it cannot be that male-dominated area. I think what can be done to change the assumption is if men can be talked to so that they can accommodate women. The most significant barrier in my career is being looked down upon to as a woman. Women are patient, we can tolerate things. So you find in an organization where women are, things tend to flow softly. I've brought a lot of change because even the men themselves, they don't love each other. As a woman, I stand in their gap and I tell them this is right, this is not right, and you see things tend to flow. Yeah, so women are peacemakers. Even if you are faced with those obstacles, just be patient, just tolerate, just hang in there, wake up to now, and eventually you'll just see things flowing. So me, I encourage women, just be with them. In my career, when I'm working, I'm being appreciated. Sometimes you are being appreciated, you've done a good job, you've worked well. So that's really built my career. My name's Ruth Lugalishi. Happy International Women's Day.